Welcome to imaginelab, your all-in-one AI tool. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of using AI image generation tool with imaginelab. Let's get started. Head over to imaginelab.ai and click on Get Started. Enter your email and password, then hit Sign In to access the home page. Scroll down the left tab and click on AI Image to be redirected to the AI Image Generator page. This feature enables you to create stunning images in seconds. Input the idea you want to generate, or you can click on Generate Example Prompt a few times to get random prompt. You can also click the advanced settings to set the image resolution, art style, lightning style, mood, number of images, and choose the quality of images. We have art styles like 3D render, anime, and many more. Once you are done, click on the Generate button. Voila, it will generate an optimal image with your desired qualities. You can click on the download icon to save the image, and you can even view it on full screen. Congratulations! You have just learned how to generate an image with imaginelab. Join imaginelab today. Thanks for watching.